Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Amirul Safwan bin Hassan. Today I'm going to present about disease in pineapple. So before we begin, I would like to talk to you about pineapple, or also known as ananas cosmosus. So pineapple is an important tropical fruit that is widely grown in many countries for food and commercial purpose. However, pineapple plants are easily affected by disease. This disease can reduce plant growth, lower fruit quality, and cause economic loss to farmers. One of the most important diseases is heart rot disease, which can damage young pineapple plants and reduce production if not controlled early. So, heart rot disease is caused by Phytophthora nicotine and Phytophthora cinnamomum. These organisms are not true fungi, but they are fungus-like organisms called oomycetes or matomoles. They live in the soil and survive for a long time, especially in wet and humid environments. When conditions are suitable, they become active and infect the plant. They spread easily through water movement, rain splash, contaminated soil, and infected planting materials. This is why the disease spread quickly in wet areas. The disease cycle begins when the pathogen survives in the soil or infected plant pots. When there is high moisture or heavy rain, the pathogen produces spores. These spores are very small and can move easily in water. The spores are then spread by rainwater, irrigation water, or farming tools. After that, they infected the pineapple plant, usually through the roots or the center heart of the plant. Once inside the plant, the pathogen multiplies and causes rotting. It then produces more spores, and the cycle continues, spreading the disease to other plants nearby. The symptoms of heart rot can be seen in the plant. Early symptoms include yellowing of young leaves and soft, water-soaked tissue at the base of the plant. As the disease develops, the central leaves become rotten and can be easily pulled out. The plant may turn brown or black, give a bad smell, and eventually wilt and die. The signs of the pathogen are the actual organism itself. In humid conditions, you may see white fungal-like growth or infected tissues. Under a microscope, sporangia and spores can also be observed. Next is the effects on the plant functions. This disease affects how the plant functions. It damages the roots and prevents the plant from absorbing water and nutrients properly. Because of this, the plant becomes weak and start to show yellowing leaves. Photosynthesis is also reduced because the levels are not healthy. As a result, the plant grows slowly, produces smaller fruits, and in several cases, the plant may die completely. So, there are several ways to control heart rot disease. First, farmers should use healthy and disease-free planting materials. And then, good field management is also important, such as improving drainage and avoiding waterlogged soil. Infected plants should be removed immediately to prevent the disease from spreading. Chemical control, such as fungicides, can be used if necessary, but it must follow proper guidelines. And lastly, integrated disease management, which also combines all these methods, is the best way to control the disease. In conclusion, heart rot disease is a serious disease in pineapple caused by Phytophthora species. It spreads quickly in wet conditions and can cause major losses if not managed properly. Early detection, good farming practice, and proper control methods are very important to keep pineapple plants healthy and productive. And that is all from me. Thank you.